This is the Great Migration. How lucky we are to witness it. More than 1 million wildebeest crossing the river from Kenya to Tanzania, from Masai Mara to Serengeti. Folks, early morning here in Serengeti National Park, about 8 a.m. We are heading towards Northern Serengeti to see possible migration of the wildebeest.
Our goal for the day was to start from Niani campsite in central Serengeti where we were camping and make our way to the Mara River crossing in the northern Serengeti, a journey that takes roughly 4 hours. And if luck was on our side, we would witness the epic Great Migration, the wildebeest crossing the Mara River from Kenya's Masai Mara into Tanzania's Serengeti. As we got closer, we saw some zebras just having fun and enjoying the moment. We kept moving, but our guide suddenly stopped to help another vehicle with a flat tire. Smiling, he said, "We believe in doing good karma."
Folks, what we are seeing in front of us is the historic Nat Geo special, the wildebeest migration. Plenty of wildebeest. What do you think, guys? How many of them would be there?
3,000.
It's a good guess. All the wildebeest getting closer to the river. Eventually they will cross.
This was our first viewing spot, but the river wasn't clearly visible from here. So we had to wait patiently while also keeping an eye out for a better position for our vehicle. And then eventually we found a better spot right in front of the river.
What a view of the migration. 1.5 million wildebeest follow this migration pattern, and we are just seeing this beautiful event unfold before us. Thousands and thousands wildebeest still pondering whether to cross or not.
Roughly 1.5 to 1.7 million wildebeest cross the Mara River following the migration pattern in the whole year. In the span of 1 hour, 4 to 5,000 wildebeest cross the river.
They actually look at the river, they going down. Today,
There in the front, right?
yeah, look over there. Like,
Stanno correndo.
They're running, I mean. Per fare cosa? I think they changed.
Oh, running and all they do.
Watching the Wildebeest river crossing is one of the most thrilling yet unpredictable experiences in the Serengeti. It's all about patience and timing. You often have to wait for hours, sometimes even the entire day, for the wildebeest to decide to cross. They'll gather in huge numbers along the riverbank, pacing back and forth, sniffing the air, and testing the water. But they rarely rush in immediately. The herds are cautious because the Mara River is filled with the dangers: steep banks, strong currents, and obviously the lurking crocodiles. Usually, it takes one brave wildebeest to make the first move. Once that happens, the rest follows in a thundering stampede, turning hesitation into chaos within seconds. This is also what we know as the herd mentality. One goes and the others follow. Some days they will back away at the last moment, other times you might get lucky and witness thousands crossing in a breathtaking surge. That's why our safari guide Ellie said, "You don't chase the crossing, you wait for the crossing to find you." And that's exactly what we were doing, waiting patiently. It had been over an hour and we were continuously watching the wildebeest, observing every movement with anticipation. They would go down the bank, they would rush to one side, and then it happened.
Yes, it's happening. Hakuna, Matata, Tikwan, Pumba.
Oh my god.
Eli, except for the bicep.
I think the food worked. Where? Oh yes, there, crocodile.
Oh, wait.
Straight here, on the right, look on the right. On the right, he's grabbing one.
Yeah, go to the
Yes, there. He's talking, look on the right. Right bank. You see? Oh, your mouth is open. Still there, crocodile. You see it?
No.
Okay. Look at the right bank and look close to the rock on the left.
But he's not eating one.
He's trying.
The Mara River isn't just a crossing point, it's a battleground. Beneath those muddy waters, massive Nile crocodiles lie in wait, perfectly still, their eyes barely breaking the surface. They know this is their moment, the time when thousands of wildebeest risk everything to reach the other side. As the first few leap into the water, chaos erupts. The current is strong, the banks are steep, and suddenly a ripple turns into a violent splash. A crocodile strikes, jaws clamping down with terrifying power. Yet, even as danger unfolds, the herd keeps moving, driven by instinct, survival, and the promise of fresh, grazing lands ahead. Its raw nature, brutal, breathtaking, and unforgettable.
This is the Great Migration. How lucky we are to witness it. More than a million wildebeest crossing the river from Kenya to Tanzania, from Masai Mara to Serengeti. You can hear them so well.
Even for crocodiles, hunting during the wildebeest river crossing is very risky. The water is chaotic, full of thrashing hooves and splashing bodies. Their sensitive snouts can detect a struggling prey, but in the stampede, a strike can easily fail. And a miss isn't just wasted energy, wild hooves and horns of the wildebeest can injure the crocodile's snout, making each attempt dangerous. Patience and timing not just for us, but for the wildebeest and the crocodiles are everything. Two big things happened after the crossing began. The wildebeest changed course, sensing more crocodiles in another part of the river, and now we see the zebras are joining the party too.
So we made it.
Baby made it.
Oh my god, it's so out of energy. No, die.
Yeah. The victorious ones.
Le zebre anche in mezzo sono attraversate.
Chi c'è da una passola sta qua
What happened?
He's going back.
kidogo nipige jiwe hapo.
These two.
They lost the baby?
They lost the path.
No.
Lost huh?
They lost the path. Yeah.
Oh god. They're waiting for the group.
Yeah.
Nice. Great team.
Look at that run against.
Yeah.
The wildebeest are very smart during the crossing. They don't just rush blindly, they constantly scan the river and shift to different sections looking for the safest path. If one area is crowded or full of crocodiles, they quickly change course, testing the waters until they find a way with fewer predators. It's a mix of instinct, herd intelligence, and split-second decision that keeps them alive. Even the young, the weak, and the old attempt the crossing. The herd moves together and no one is left behind. Even if the river is raging, every wildebeest faces the same danger, relying on the herd's momentum and sheer determination to make it across alive.
No, guarda, no, andiamo subito.
Io non vedo coccodrilli.
Sì, ci sono delle teste che scappano fuori.
Sì?
Ma non ho ancora preso niente. Ah, guarda, qui si stanno andando, mi sa che uno l'ha toccato.
Sì? Da dove?
Guarda,
You see just in the back of the eye too. Which one?
Which one?
To the left, you see the big one and the baby. It looks like we can't get out. And then I see him.
I see one dead already.
Yeah, there's one there. Oh no, he got out.
That was there already.
Da dove?
There's one stuck behind that rock.
No, non c'è, se no lo c'è.
There is one stuck right here in front.
Facevano gli applausi però.
Yes.
Vedi qualcuno morto?
The drag.
Can you get right here?
Call your friend.
Which one?
The
say-
negative.
The negative one? Oh yes.
And save, look. Guarda io.
No, le zebre. Zebra crossing.
Wow! Fagli vedere, fagli la foto! Brave!
One zebra stuck.
No, there's still more coming. They're probably waiting for visitors. I wonder if they're part of the cruise.
Oh mio Dio. È bellissimo. Zebrita, ciao. Brava. Woohoo!
Baby.
Cos'è? Oh my god.
Un coccodrillo.
Let's go guys. Perché tornano indietro?
Notorious ones.
Le zebre anche in mezzo sono attraversate.
Ukicheza unapaswa sababu hapo
Dove c'è il coccodrillo vicino?
unapata hapo kuna vile kidogo nipige juu hapo.
They lost the park.
Nell'otta?
They lost the park.
Ah, okay. They're waiting for the group. Nice. Great.
Look at that rock against.
The first guy succeeded.
Yeah.
They're coming back. Oh, they want to pass from here. I can do it.
Oh no, they're going back. They're just waiting for a bigger herd.
Siamo dall'altra parte.
No, stanno facendo il tifo, credo. Dicendo dai, passate.
Started from there and then eventually.
I haven't seen a crocodile.
I saw the one there. Yeah, I saw it. I think it's still there. I think there.
It's crocodile.
There, in the middle. Two, right? One there. One here. Two of them.
And maybe two over there. The left, the
Left of the house. Is the baboons or monkeys? Oh yes.
I saw it there. Sono
Ah, dove il
Guys, whenever you want to go back with the Oh, here, take these.
Yeah. Here is
There's a
the
rock or is one dead over there?
I think he's dead. He's floating.
And guess what? The crocodile was successful too, dragging a dead wildebeest to its feeding ground. The river crossing is more than just a battle for survival. It's a stark reminder of nature's balance. Life and death flow together here, each struggle and loss shaping the endless rhythm of the wild. The river crossing is a vivid lesson in perseverance. Watching the wildebeest struggle against the currents and the crocodile strike with patience reminds us that every challenge, every risk and effort is part of the journey. Their relentless determination can inspire us to face our own obstacles, with courage and resilience. And it looks like we weren't the only spectators. The baboons here probably had the best seats in the house. After about 30 minutes, the river crossing paused, and the next batch of wildebeest began the waiting game again. While returning, we saw this beautiful hawk called as dark chanting ghost hawk. Then we saw Ruppel's griffin, a critically endangered vulture. In the end, we saw the magnificent elephants enjoying the green grass in northern Serengeti. This, my friends, brings an end to my video on the Great Migration. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Check out my other videos here and see you until next time. Oh wait, by the way, what happened during our game drive before and after we witnessed the migration? Well, to be continued.